So we bought a electric toothbrush. It's called the Aquasonic Black Series. So it helps remove plaque, helps prevent, reduce gingivitis, and it has options like clean, soft, helps remove daily surfaces, stains, massage. It delivers vibrating microbursts to gum. So that's it. Let's try this one and let's open it. Okay, so this is what's inside the box. There's a traveling case, extra brush head, and the wireless charging case. So this is what's inside the case, traveling case, the machine. Nice. And then the brush head. The bristles look so simple. Okay, it's not heavy. So we got 6 extra brush heads. Plus the one inside, so actually 7 plus the one, so it has 8 brush heads. And this is the charging dock for this one. So I just put it like that. There you go. So I have inserted the brush head. This is just easy. You just have to put it on. Then let's press on. So it vibrates. Cool. It's on, and then clean, soft, whitens, massage. Clean, soft, whitens, massage. Turn it up. It returns to the last category. Nice.